With all the modern communication tools we have, most businesses are still overly reliant on email. This 50-year-old tool refuses to go away. And if you think about it, having access to someone's email gives you a huge amount of power. You could reset their passwords, see their purchase history and travel plans, and even pretend to be them while emailing other people. This is why criminals are obsessed with your email. 90% of cybersecurity attacks on businesses like yours start in your inbox. There are many simple yet effective ways to protect yourself. First, make sure you're using a secure email service with robust encryption. This scrambles your messages, making them unreadable to anyone except the intended recipient. Next, enable two-factor authentication. Even if someone gets hold of your password, they'll still need a code from another device to access your account. And educate your team about the importance of email hygiene. Watch out for suspicious links or attachments. Humans and software working together is the best security approach. There's much more you can do to keep criminals out. We can help. Get in touch.